Hello, it's JP with LeBel Landscaping. Thanks for tuning into our channel. Today we're going to be talking about one of the simplest yet most effective ways to improve your landscape with mulch. At LeBel Landscaping, we know that great landscapes start from the ground up. And mulch is one of the simplest, most powerful ways to protect and enhance your property. Mulch provides a multitude of advantages for your landscape. It helps retain moisture in the soil, reducing the need for constant watering. It suppresses weeds, keeping your beds clean and low maintenance. And as it naturally breaks down, it enriches your soil with nutrients, promoting healthier plants and stronger root systems, along with reducing the need for extra fertilization. Beyond the functional benefits, fresh mulch instantly upgrades the appearance of your property, creating clean lines, rich color contrast, and a polished professional look. Generally, we recommend 3 inches of mulch for a new installation and 1 to 2 inches for a refresh. For best results, we recommend mulching your property once per year to maintain both health and appearance. Although mulch can be done at any time, oftentimes the spring after the leaves have stopped falling is the best. At LeBel Landscaping, we offer a wide range of mulch options to fit your style and needs, including pine bark and pine fines, shredded mulch in a variety of colors, rubber mulch for long-lasting durability, especially on playgrounds, and eco-friendly mulch made from chipped invasive trees such as the melaleuca. With the right manpower and professional equipment, our team delivers fast, efficient, and affordable mulch installations, no matter the size of the job. And for added convenience, we can incorporate mulch service into any ongoing maintenance contract, keeping your property looking its best year-round. Contact LeBel Landscaping today and let us refresh your landscape the right way.